Hello, my name is Jeannette from Uffelen and I'm a stress release specialist. And I want to explain something about a happy journal, why to use it, why to make it. Because my clients, I teach it to them all the time and I notice that sometimes it's difficult to start it or to do it, or they don't understand why. What's the meaning of it and what's the effect of it. It's very easy to make and you just do it for yourself. And how it works, I will show you. This is one of my happy journals and it's full, and I'm a visual person, so I like to write in it, but I also have pictures in it or cards that people gave me, photos of happy memories, good experiences, poems people sent to me or gave to me. All kinds of stuff. Things I write for myself, me and my daughter, 20 years ago. This is a very old picture I made ages ago. And this is the one, it was like this outside when I got it. And this is my latest one. It cost, I think, less than €2, and I like it because here it looks like a very old traditional book, and the title is My Secret Plan to Rule the World. And I wrote in it, my not so secret plan to rule my world is the world, is my life, is life. Because it sounds like fun only, but if you use this or strategies or plays games like this, you rule your world. And how does it work? When you just start writing, and the happy journal is only meant for good stuff. So I can think of something I'm going to do or I want to do, or a memory or a feeling, or say something nice to myself, about myself, and then I start writing. And maybe in the beginning it feels a kind of crazy, or you think that there's nothing. But when you get that feeling, you close the book and you take another paper and you say there's nothing, nothing is good or whatever. You don't write stuff like this in this book. You also don't write in this book, I do not want this or this, or I want my life without. You just write what you want, things that make you feel good. So I can write, I'm glad to live in this house. Every night I sleep in a bed. I'm grateful for sleeping in a bed and having a roof above my head. Or being outside, living close to the sea. And I just write. And it doesn't have to be big or long stories, but if you make the habit to do this every day, to focus on good stuff, so you can use things that you're grateful for, or think about your children when you had them in your arms for the first time, or think about your favorite pet when you look in the eyes or when you see them playing, or think about good memories when you were with that friend, or when you were on that beach, or in that mountain area when you felt so healthy and happy. And that's all you do. And the reason to do it is that when I start writing, when I think about it, I get this feeling. And it's even stronger when you close your eyes and do things like that. But it's also good to remind them, to write them, put a picture with it, or make it a beautiful page with some colors, with some pencils, or paint, or photos. And then when you are feeling not so good, or when you just for fun, you start watching the pictures or reading your own stories, and that has the same effect. It also gives you a good feeling. And maybe it looks like weird or it sounds like weird, but we do this all the time. As human beings, we are busy with memories and future plans all the time. Only most of the time we don't use the positive stuff. So we worry about what can be wrong tomorrow, what has been wrong in the past, what was going wrong, what did I do wrong. All the negative stuff, and we repeat it all over, all the time. And if you start a happy journal, you do the same but in the opposite way. And you teach yourself and your system to focus more on the good stuff in life. Because it's not true that there's only misery in life or in the world, but that's where we focus on. It's very sad that we do it. And the more you learn to focus on the good stuff, it's a way to make your life healthier, lighter, happier. That's all. And every time I recommend it to people, I teach it to them, and people don't see why they should do it, and they don't even try it, and they stay stuck in their misery. And they keep on complaining about what's wrong with them or with the world. So why I wanted to make this video, just to tell you in a very brief way, start doing it, try it, it costs you nothing. €2 for a book, sometimes you have them for €1. A pen, this one, €3, and pens are for free on many places. And you can even buy more beautiful books, like this, also a few euros, I guess. So do it! You can change your mind, you can change your life, you can change whatever you want to change. You can make your life so much easier. Thank you for watching.